Welcome back. Now news from sports. The victorious Sporting Club, the Goa contingent, arrived home on Tuesday after achieving the historic feat of winning the Under-19 I-League football title. The Flaming Orange Juniors have defeated East Bengal in the finals in Kolkata on Monday. Watch this report from Surendra Madkaikar.
It's a great victory for Sporting, and I would say even the victory is more special because playing age group tournament outside Goa and winning it is always a great achievement, because most of these other teams come with overage players. In fact, I was told that many of the teams had overage players, and so that's the biggest reason why this victory is a very special victory. And Sporting, in fact, did well here in Goa also in the qualifying round and again in Calcutta, and I think they really deserve this victory. And another thing is, it's the first time a Goan team is winning the Under-19 I-League. Last year Sporting were the runners-up, but fortunately this year they managed to win.
I credit both our coach Severino Fernandez and manager Frankie Fernandez, who have molded this team, into a fighting unit. Our president, Mr. Peter Vaz, he has announced an incentive of 1 lakh rupees, which will be shared with the entire team.
Seniors team, I-League, your team also will be now actually has to be qualified. Are you going to write a letter to AIFF regarding that issue?
Yeah, in fact, today itself we have shot off a letter to AIFF. We have sought clarification, regarding the relegation rule. Our club stand is that in the 14-team league, 2 teams are to be demoted. In other words, 12 teams have to be retained. And Mahindra United, by virtue of their having withdrawn in the middle of the league, takes one of the relegation spots. And the other spot will be taken by another team, and we are in the 12 teams which are to be retained.
East Bengal ground हेड ऑफ पंचायत प्रेशराइज जाता तेन्ना भुरग्यांक सांगले तुम फकत फुटबॉल तू काम कितें प्रॅक्टीस करून गेले इथे क्राउडाक फेस करप ना. सेकंड विथ रेफ्री कळे आमी चड हें करूंक जाय कित्याक रेफ्री ऑलमोस्ट कितें आसता होम टिमीक सपोर्ट करता.
There are various emotions a human being experiences: happy, sad, scary, etc., etc. Today in our video of the day, we would like to show you scary pranks. Have a look at these expressions, have fun and do not get scared. Take care and goodbye.
I get no kick from champagne. Beer alcohol doesn't thrill me at all. So tell me, why should it be true that I get a kick out of you? I get no kick in a plane, flying too high with some gal in the sky is my idea of nothing to do. Get a kick, you give me a boot, I get a kick